Hello friends, is your steering acting strange? Does your engine stall when you turn the wheel? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0551, it means there's an issue with the power steering pressure sensor circuit range performance. This problem can cause hard steering, engine stalling, and even rough idling. In this video, I'll explain what P0551 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0551? The P0551 code stands for Power Steering Pressure Sensor Circuit Range Performance. This means the power steering pressure (PSP) sensor is not giving accurate readings to the engine control module or ECM. When you turn the steering wheel, the ECM adjusts the engine's performance accordingly. A faulty PSP sensor can disrupt this process. Common symptoms of P0551: check engine light (CL) is on hard or stiff steering. Engine stalling when turning the wheel. Rough idling when steering, poor fuel economy. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the faulty sensor. To diagnose P0551, check these key components. Power steering pressure, PSP. Sensor location, mounted on the high-pressure power steering hose, usually near the power steering pump. Power steering pump location, connected to the engine, driven by a serpentine belt, and responsible for creating hydraulic pressure. Power steering fluid reservoir location, near the power steering pump, holding the hydraulic fluid needed for smooth operation. Tip: if the PSP sensor fails, the ECM won't know when to adjust the engine speed, causing rough idling and stalling. Common causes of P0551 faulty PSP sensor. A damaged sensor can cause incorrect pressure readings. 2 wiring or connector issues. Loose, corroded, or broken wires may disrupt signals. 3 low or contaminated power steering fluid. Dirty or low fluid can lead to pressure issues. 4 faulty power steering pump. A weak pump may not generate proper pressure, triggering the code. 5 ECM malfunction. Rare cases where the ECM misreads the sensor's input. How to fix P0551? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to verify the P0551 code. Step 2. Inspect the PSP sensor for damage, leaks, or loose connections. Step 3. Check the wiring harness for any broken or corroded wires. Step 4. Test the PSP sensor's voltage using a multimeter to ensure it's within spec. Step 5. Check the power steering fluid level and quality. Replace if necessary. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive to check if the issue is resolved. Final words. Ignoring P0551 can lead to steering issues, engine stalling, and higher fuel consumption. Fixing it early ensures a safe and smooth ride. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0350. Ignition coil primary secondary circuit malfunction. P0351. Ignition coil A primary secondary circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.